All right, when I heard that Stansberry's stock of the week was a video game company, two things came to mind. The first is kids, and the second is adult males living in their mom's basements. But while I was up on my high horse, I realized that I had a video game myself, Covet Fashion, which I downloaded a while ago. And Covet Fashion is actually one of the major titles of Glue Mobile, which is Stansberry's stock of the week. Video games are bigger than I realized. In fact, 2.4 billion people played a mobile game in 2019. 33% of all app downloads are for mobile games, and mobile is almost 50% of the entire revenue of the video game industry. That's big, folks. Now, why do we like Glue Mobile so much? This is a Steve Sugar recommendation from 2018, by the way. Stock went public about 13 years ago. It had been flat for a long time. Now it's finally showing some life, and that's because they're finally showing signs of profitability. And they're doing that in two ways. The first is simply focusing on longer-term development of games. They've done these 6-month shelf life games before, here today, gone tomorrow. Now they're taking more time, putting in more effort, but trying to get more shelf life out of these higher quality games. And they're also partnering with companies like Disney, Pixar, and WWE, companies that have done the hard work of creating the brand and the characters that can just be plugged into games. Tencent owns 14.6% of Glue Mobile, which is pretty cool because Tencent is the largest gaming company in China and has a lot of know-how to pass along to these guys. Now, for a negative, daily active users and monthly active users have both been trending down. That's not so great, but revenue was up 18% in the last quarter, which is pretty great. Now, should you run out and buy Glue Mobile? I can't tell you, but I can say that it could be worth a look if you're into growth stocks.